Namaste, I'm Ganesh. We are excited to invite you to our upcoming Arm Balance and Inversion Workshop.
Namaste everyone, I'm Sneha. Join us every Friday and Sunday for 4 weeks as we dive deep into the world of arm balances and inversions.
Discover the strength and grace within you as we explore the pose like crow pose.
Each session will be 2 hours long, allowing us to teach alignments, techniques, and mindfulness. We will be hosting these workshops in 2 locations in Dubai,
One in Barsha
and another one in Motor City.
Connect with your breath and find stillness within and unlock your full potential.
Don't miss this opportunity. Enroll now.